quick look at the Sunbeam Barista Max. I'm gonna make a coffee on this and show you how the machine works. So real simple, everything that you need is built into the machine. The beans and the grinder are built in. Comes with a little cute tamper. All you need is a cup and a jug for steaming milk. Machine's on and preheated. It's been on for about 10 minutes and that's now sort of ready to go. So first thing is grab your handle out and we're gonna grind some coffee. Basket needs to be clean and dry. You pop it into here and then press down to start the grinding. All right, so you could weigh your dosage into the basket. I'm just gonna eyeball it. And if you need to adjust the fineness, you can twist the top of the grinder and that will make adjustments either coarser or finer. So that you'll have to do based on how your espresso is running. All right, so I'm just gonna go with a full basket, level it off, and tamp. Just press firmly. That's it. Lock in. And go. I'm gonna do a double shot because I want a strong one. All right, so that's now ready to go. Let's just move our cup out of the way. Steam one out. I'm only gonna steam enough milk for 1 cup. Pop it in, on.